Hello everyone, welcome to Backyard Health and Healing, where you gain understanding, not just information. Pharmacies are the source of many over-the-counter medicines and daily use items purchased for the home. However, concern about rising prices of some items and added ingredients in pills have raised interest in natural alternatives to these items. My name is Dr. Eugene Tull. I'm a doctor of public health. Welcome to my backyard. In this episode, I will share 5 ways backyard plants can replace over-the-counter medicines to save you money and give you peace of mind. Diarrhea is the most common illness in the world. Everyone has experienced it. And everyone can find relief with mango leaves, which have anti-diarrheal properties. And tea brewed from mango leaves can be an effective replacement for your anti-diarrheal medicine. So if you live somewhere where you have access to mango leaves, don't hesitate to use them the next time you or a loved one has diarrhea. Is there anyone who hasn't eaten too much of their favorite meal and developed heartburn? If you have an avocado tree, you don't have to run to the pharmacy to buy an antacid. Avocado leaves contain alkaline chemicals which can help to neutralize excess stomach acid. Avocado leaves also contain high levels of quercetin. Quercetin is a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties that can ease the burning sensation in heartburn. To use avocado leaf for heartburn, boil 3 to 4 leaves in 2 cups of water for a minute or 2, then let it steep for 10 minutes. It's best to drink it while it's warm. Cuts, scrapes, and bruises are common. It is also common to treat them with an over-the-counter product, like triple antibiotic. However, there is a natural alternative called aloe vera. Research studies have shown that aloe vera has antibiotic properties and also promotes the healing of wounds. Many people depend on sleep aids to help them get a good night's rest. The leaf of the soursop tree is an effective sleep aid. Tea brewed from the leaves of the soursop tree can induce sleep as effectively as commercially sold melatonin. But to achieve this effect, soursop tea has to be consumed on an empty stomach about 45 minutes before going to bed. The overuse of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs for muscle aches and pains is common. This overuse and its side effects can be avoided by using a natural alternative. A great natural alternative is the stinging nettle plant, which may be growing in your backyard. Stinging nettle has extremely potent anti-inflammatory properties. And a tea brewed from all parts of the stinging nettle plant can be effective in relieving muscle aches and joint pain. That's all, folks. I hope you found this video informative. As a reminder, you can help me help others by clicking the like button on this video.